Aboard Wisconsin's flagship sailing vessel, the Dennis Sullivan, a group of educators joined a team of scientists and the ship's crew for a week of shipboard science and learning.
We're trying to educate people about the significance of the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes really need us.
This collaborative effort of Sea Grant from Minnesota and Wisconsin aims to transform the lives of science educators from across grade levels through their shared passion for the Great Lakes and a love of teaching and lifelong learning.
We share ideas, we share methods. How do we engage students in a way that's more meaningful?
Under the pressures of performing as a team on the open sea, educators develop classroom exercises for their students, informed by the science of lake ecology, maritime archaeology, and the skills required to sail a tall ship. They hope their experiences will inspire some students to pursue careers in such fields as biology, maritime archaeology, marine technology, or perhaps become educators themselves.
A lot of them are from outside the watershed, and so they can kind of bring that knowledge back to their students and get lots of people interested in the Great Lakes.
Immersive programs like this one on the Dennis Sullivan require significant time and money. Yet the return on investment for educators and students is exponential. What is the value of inspiration? Or the net profit from a life-changing experience?
This is awesome.
Is there a market price for a strong and capable network of educators that passes on the great histories and mysteries of the Great Lakes to our young people? Perhaps the more important question is, what do we lose if we don't?
Sea Grant is awesome, working with teachers to help us define place-based education so we can connect kids not only to the science of the lake, but also the culture of the lake.
Back in the classroom, educators will begin the important work of inspiring students, the next generation of stewards, leaders, and Great Lakes ambassadors. Shipboard Science is a key program for the Center for Great Lakes Literacy. A key portion of this cruise was sponsored by the National Marine Sanctuary Foundation. If you wish to learn more about Sea Grant's Shipboard Science program, please contact your state's Sea Grant office.